Moffitt. The 13 there is Myatt Snyder. We saw Stuart Friesen in the 52 involved.
I just didn't like the amount of smoke that was coming from that right rear of Mike.
Me either.
Coming off turn 2, John Hunter Nemechek radios to his crew that it's starting to evaporate, and the spotter said about half an hour back later, we have to pit, get ready. So the crew was on the wall waiting for John Hunter Nemechek to come down pit road, and he did not make it.
Look at the damage to that 52 truck. 16 of Brett Moffitt as well.
Heartbreaker for that group. They had high hopes coming into tonight's race. First time Moffitt working with this Shiggy Hattori group.
You mentioned Mike, a great run going for Stuart Friesen. Mike Snyder was doing a great job in that 13 truck. He's on pit road with a tremendous amount of damage as well. There's Myatt.
Myatt Snyder in his first race with ThorSport. Heavy damage. Watch it right here.
There's Cody Kaufman. We saw him get pushed out. Did a nice job saving that. Watch the 8 now. The first black truck. Second truck in line. That tire just explodes as it gets down into turn number 3. Look at the debris flying through the air.
Spencer Davis right behind Nemechek. It's amazing he didn't suffer damage to his Tundra.
Watch that too, that yellow truck fifth in line. He gets pushed down to the inside. Oh, great job by Davis. Unbelievable. Austin Hill as well. Unfortunately for the 16 of Moffitt, Stuart Friesen absolutely nowhere to go, as well as the 13 of Myatt Snyder.
Wrong place, wrong time.
It's an unbelievable job by the 51 of Spencer Davis.
He's just relying on all that experience he has here at Daytona and in the Truck Series, right, Phil?
Now, how many times has he been here?
Oh, this is the first